Hi, I'm Grant Gustin, Digital Media Sales Engineer for AVI Systems. We're here at InfoComm 2022 and we have a remote contributor kit that we created for C-level executives for better, higher quality remote contributions to, say, a Teams or Zoom call or other MTR type presentation. And what we're really trying to achieve is offering a better high quality camera, audio, lighting for the remote contributor so that it really puts them in their best light. And we're creating bridging the gap, I guess, between AV and broadcast. So we're having a much higher quality presentation, have different screen layouts, are able to have a branded presentation, and just to overall, like I said, just to up the quality of their presentation rather than the typical Brady Bunch and highly compressed video in a Teams or Zoom call. So we can send this to remote locations, or it could still be on-prem, and we can do multiples. And if adding a video switcher, for instance, we can add much higher quality branding, graphics, video rolls, whatever. But if you'd like to learn more, please visit us at avisystems.com, and we can provide more information to you. Thank you.